Hi, good morning. As I say, I mentioned in one of my videos, I think it was yesterday, that I'm now going to do a jewellery box with some inlay, and I've got it marked out and cut some of it out already for what I want. I'm now going to make the route for the base to sit in. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the base yet, what I'm going to make it out of, but I've looked around the shop and shed, and see what I've got. But this is my router setup that I made. As you can see, I've got it screwed down to my worktop. Obviously, worktop finished, so we replace. That's no problem. And I've got a hoover set up to it, my industrial hoover. What I did with the switch, actually on the router itself, I taped the switch so it was on permanently. So I've got full control of it on this switch. So I haven't got to faff about and try and get underneath and all the rest of it. I tape the switch so it's on permanently, and then disconnect it so I can have it running from here, full control with the switch. And obviously the same with the hoover. And it actually works quite well. As I say, I'm no carpenter. Everything I do, I've learned. I just have a go and see what happens. Safety, yes. I'm reasonably safe, I hope. I haven't hurt myself yet. But I'll give this a go, so you can actually see it working. Obviously I won't be able to talk because of the noise. Well, we'll see how it goes. The way that's come off, I haven't got it the blade far enough over. So yeah, we know what that is. That's the depth I want actually. So I think I'll just carry on and struggle along with that. I'll get the others done anyway. Oh, I have marked up which side I want. Go. And they're all done. So this is the depth I want. Obviously I've got some tidying up to do. There's a couple of little glitches where I've obviously pushed in as I've gone along. But as I say, I am not a carpenter by any means. This is all fairly new to me, and I don't know, I suppose I'm lucky I can actually do most of these things. But yeah, I'm going to carry on now and try and get the rest done. I'm not sure what to do with this inlay. Whether to do just a square complete, or whether to just route out and just do the insert for the inlay. I'm going to make my mind up on that one after I've made a cup of tea, and I do smoke. I'm going to have a cigarette as well. And yeah, I'll come back to you later when I've decided what I'm going to do. Thanks ever so much. Okay, I've decided what I'm going to do. I'm going to just do an inlay on this bit rather than the whole lot. I've got plenty of bits I can use for inlay, just add a dark wood to that. I've laid out some marks on here, obviously for my start and for my finish. Because of how short that is and because of the hole there, I'll probably take the end bits out just with a chisel, because that's going to be very difficult to do on this. And I just found out that my blade isn't very sharp either, so they're only a cheap set. Well, that's what you get, I suppose, when you buy cheap stuff. So yeah, I'll give this a run up and we'll see how we go. Well, there we have it. for what it is, I'll take the ends out with a chisel. As you can see, my blade isn't sharp at all. I've got a lot of work to do on this now. So I'll get this cleaned off, I'll get the ends done out, and then I'll come back when I start to do the inlay. Thanks ever so much.